Hi everyone! In today's video we are going to be talking about how to create the most beautiful yet powerful and efficient study schedule for your upcoming finals. That's right folks, let's finish this year off with a bang and ace all our finals, shall we? So if you want to know all the juicy deets, namely how to prioritize, how to get into the flow state, and most importantly, a real life example of how to create your very own beautiful schedule and calendar with a free tool that your grandma has been using for a while to design her YouTube thumbnails, that was a mouthful, then definitely keep on watching. Number 1, getting all the feels. I've spoken so many times about the importance of just dumping all your textbooks and opening all your articles and having all of that stuff in front of you to really assess the quantity of the material that you are going to have to study for your upcoming exams. The reason why this is absolutely essential is that it really builds a base, a foundation that you're going to have to go off of to create your study schedule. However, in this video, I would like to stress the importance of not only looking at the quantity, but also taking the time to figure out the difficulty of all of that material. And to do so, all you have to do is a little thing called skimming. I just want to show you a tool that marries both quantity and quality into one. So you can compile everything that you have to read and also do a quick skimming in one simple go. If you've never got the chance to try PDF Element Pro, which is a tool created by iSkySoft that helps you epically win at everything PDF document related, now's the last chance to do so. This part of the video is sponsored, but there's a reason why I agreed to this. I've been using PDF Element Pro for a while now and noticed that it's actually really helpful to consolidate all your files into one place and then quickly skim through them without getting overwhelmed. So the way I see it, not only can you, create forms, convert files from and to any format you want, so like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, pictures, and the list goes on, or even browse multiple templates that you can customize and use to your liking. But the tool acts as an effective way of storing, organizing, and sifting through study material. For these reasons and many more, I invite you to at least check them out by following the link below, or take advantage of the special offer of 50% off PDF Element Pro because it is gone after. Number 2, prioritizing your weaknesses. Now, I am fully aware that we have a natural tendency to want to do the things that we are good at and procrastinate or postpone the things that, no. The second step of creating an effective study schedule is to face the truth. It is as simple as creating a list of all the subjects you have to study, because I'm guessing you have more than one final. Yes, teachers do that. However, not all of them are weighed equally. Not all of them require as much work or effort. For example, if you are more comfortable in French, you shouldn't spend that much time on it versus you have no clue what they've been talking about in your trigonometry or calculus class for the past 6 months. So you should probably move that up your list to number 1. And as a reference point, if it scares you, it should be at the top. Number 3, choose your destiny. Flawless victory. Moving on to the fun part. Now is the time to select the tool you will be using to design your schedule or your calendar, and also select the study method or formula you wish to apply for each exam. As a reference point, or simply as inspiration, I encourage you to check out either my 5-step study plan or the funnel method right here, because it really breaks down all the steps that need to be in your study schedule and also explains to you why they have to be in there, okay? Number 4, focused work and flow state. Now we're getting a little bit personal. This is just my opinion. People work differently, but I truly believe that in order to enter the flow state, or as I like to call it, the study bubble, you need to fully get yourself immersed into a subject. So the way I like to organize my study time and the way I like to design my study schedule, especially for finals, is by having weekly goals or weekly themes, or if you want, daily themes. Just make sure that you allow yourself a big chunk of hunk of time for one specific thing. Two more things that you can do. I know I sound like a broken record, but that's because they actually do work and I've been using them for years, and I will keep using these two particular tips to help me, and hopefully you, stick to your schedule. Don't be so time rigid, okay? If you can, like I said, just give yourself a week. You're more likely to respect what you've written down, and also you're less likely to get discouraged when you don't. But Anna, how do I keep track of what I do then if I don't have a set block of time? Oftentimes on my calendars, I will also print out or have like at the bottom a little tracker section just to make sure I really do the readings, I really do the work without the rigidity of time. I just know this is what needs to get done. I have a week to do them. These are the time slots that I have free. Work with it, girl. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to me if you like what you see, because I post videos every Thursday. Once again, a little reminder, if you want to take advantage of the promo code right here, this is your last chance to do so. So at least check it out. What do you got to lose, okay? Good luck with your finals, guys. If you have any other video recommendations or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. I will read them and I will get it done. Bye, guys.